Oh, Kevin, I love you. Oh, it's been such a good trip. Are we going home yet? So basically, this is a bag I bring with it. Oh, Angel just attacked the camera. Kristine, are you all right?
I'm okay.
All right. This is just an assortment of things that have added on through the years and chaos bag. All right. And there's lots of things there, but maybe too much. Ben's wipes. Ben's Deed is really good because it's water-based, not alcohol-based. So when you put it on, you don't smell like bug dope. And yeah, they're really good, but instead of bringing a bottle, it's like wipes. You put on the bug repellent before the portage. Oh, polysporin. Very good. Really good for infections and things like that. Also important, after bite. For bug bites, you put this on. Really works. Fantastic. Look at this mother of... Survive outdoor longer, Flint. I can't do this. It's a fire ban, so I'm not going to strike it, but I just went nuts on this one. Like that. You could club a bear with that. This one, you scrape the stuff off. Sorry, you scrape the stuff off and then you strike it. I can't really do that right now, fire ban. If I ever lit a fire, imagine that, happy camper. Algonquin Park is gone because he was doing a happy camper video. Extra batteries, big ones, small ones. Matches, waterproof matches in here. These are stormproof matches. Again, I'm not lighting this, but when you light this, it's a torch. I was on Can-Am when it used to be on. It's no longer. Great show. They should never cancel that. And I lit this. And I'm trying to blow it out. It's not working because it's a stormproof match. And the producer was getting quite concerned that the sprinklers were going to go on in the studio. Pills to make you not throw up. Pills to make you poop. Fire starter, extra lighter. These bandages are really good. What are they called? What are they called? Easy access bandages. So you pull it and put it on. Really easy. Water tablets in case your water filter breaks down. Duct tape, more duct tape. I have duct tape everywhere. I have matches, I have lighters everywhere. I have lighters in all my pockets, my rain jacket pocket, my pocket, in here, in my kitchen set. Duct tape as well. Extra flashlight, extra spoon. This is when the tent pole breaks, which actually did. Yeah, if it snaps, you can put this in and then put duct tape around it and you fix it. Bear banger, where is it? These are bear bangers. So this goes on here it's like a pen. This thing costs $30. You really should have it. And you go like, boom! It sounds like a shotgun. The bear's like, whoa! You can also put a flare on there and you shoot it and it flares up. So if someone's looking for you, they can find you. And really cheap, really lightweight. Really should be in that bag. Advil. Oh, not only Advil. What's that stuff for old men that have arthritic problems, Kristine?
Aleve.
Aleve. I have some Aleve, Advil. I have some aspirin for the dog. I also have my separate first aid kit for my dog. That's a totally different video, but we've got 2 dogs here for 5 days. I got horse bandages for the dog. I've got aspirins for the dog. I've got, what's the stuff for allergies for the dog, Kristine?
Benadryl.
Benadryl for the dog. I got Benadryl for me in here. I got tin foil, more duct tape. These things are amazing to fix stuff with that. Those old pull twines you get from the hardware store. Get a whole bunch of those and put in your pack. I don't know how many times. I fixed a whole gunnel of my canoe once on a 20-day trip on day 2. And I finished the trip by holding the canoe together with these things. Oh, scraper for the pot when it gets really bad. And then brush the oil on the fish and stuff like that. You know what? I've never used that. Oh, but what's it called? Polysporin for the eye. Knee brace, elbow brace, because I'm getting old. Another lighter. More jugs. What's in there? Oh, those are, the heck are those? Maybe I should label my drugs. Wow. Another bear banger. Chaos bag. I didn't even know what was in there until I did this video. That's why it's called a chaos bag. Kristine is going through her chaos bag. She can't have a chaos bag. She's the most organized person I've ever known in my life. So let's see what she has in her chaos bag.
I actually have a really chaotic chaos bag. Actually, I can't find what I'm looking for right now. Okay, Kevin, in my chaos bag I have, my knife. I don't know what kind of a knife it is, but I like it. Cheap and lightweight. My sort of semi wallet with my fishing license, a belt. I don't know why that's there. Oh, this is for my phone case. I haven't used that yet. Dog towel. Ta-da! Still haven't found what I'm looking for. Oh, my phone. Oh, this is good. Cheap selfie stick. Various dog poop bags. No, there's got to be better stuff in here. Oh, this very awesome cell phone charger. Anchor. And I can charge my cell phone maybe 3 times with that. More dog poop bags. Oh, these are my really cool sunglasses. Those ones. Oh, this is what I was looking for. My headlamp. I forget what kind it is. But it's tiny and it really works well. My compass. And that's for my glasses so I don't lose them in the water. And my spare flashlight. Oh, flash, I don't know, stick. Matches, lighter. And more dog poop bags. And that's it. Pretty good.
I've never seen so many dog poop bags in my life.